To begin with the presentation of the final video of this workshop, in the final delivery we have of the product of the fresh strawberry with the tariff position of 0810 pound 10 pound double zero. About the impact that this product has on the market can be identified in the transformative experience towards agriculture because this is the most important activity, regardless of the economic contribution it makes to GDP. In this way, it is determined that promoting beneficial agricultural development for producers will be reflected in the reduction of several harmful indicators such as poverty and unemployment. In terms of distribution and export of this, we have to 18.25% of the traders surveyed in the wholesale market made wholesale sales of strawberry, while 18.55% are retail traders. The strawberries are perishables and susceptible to rot caused by microorganisms during storage. Because these fruits have a high metabolic activity, consequently to improve post-harvest life, it is necessary to eliminate microbes to improve the safety of strawberry consumption. The packaging, at the moment of we use strawberries, we use a box and biodegradable packaging that extends the lifetime of the fresh fruits and vegetables, as well as those that are minimally processed, disinfected, ready to eat, without modifying the nutritional quality. About the inventory management, we have like the annual demand, the number of units sold during the last years. Consumption reached 18 18,000 strawberries represent 2% of purchase by volume and 4% is spending in the food category. About the daily demand, we have 219 units at the day. The prioritization and packaging, we have the box dimensions like the length 14.8, the weight are 25, and the height are 8. About the unit weight, we have 0.2 kilograms. About the unit per box, we have 135, and about the box weight, we had 61 kilograms. About the total boxes, we have a total of 592. We are going to use approximately a total of 22 pallets, and we are going to organize this in the first floor or a 20 container FCL. For the Incoterms, we have the following data, but for this project, the FCA Incoterm was selected, since this indicates that the seller must deliver the merchandise to the buyer of her carrier. In addition to this, it is the seller's responsibility to carry out the export procedures, while the responsibility of carrying out the import procedures correspond to the buyer. Furthermore, in the 2020 FCA, Incoterm, the seller is responsible for physically delivering the merchandise with the risk of transferring it into the buyer only when the delivery has been made. About the international freight, this price is the total of freight. We have a price of 2,200, including the transport in origin and destination. We have 120 FCL container, and the cost is the mentioned previously. Next, we have the tariff rate with a tariff of 10% since the 1st of January for 2017. Second of this, we have the VAT with a tariff of 19% since the same date. And finally, we have the non-tariff binaries. We have a TLC with USA with a tariff of 0% since the 15th of May. About the exporting country, the United States is a great example because it offers duty-free access for many products, can also take advantage of preferential programs and free trade agreements, which offer duty-free of lower tax access for many important goods. Preferential programs deliver unilateral benefits from the US to other countries and are designed to support the growth of specific industries. The FTAs, which are the result of trade negotiations, include both the agreements reached between two countries, such as multilateral agreements that span multiple nations. About the production place, as a place of production, we have that California produces 75% of the strawberry production in the United States. According to the California Strawberry Advisory Council, California strawberries are available from January through November, with the highest production and quality from March through May. Besides that, it's important that we mention that each acre of land in California that is dedicated to the strawberry production produces an average of 21 tons of strawberry annually. About the international boarding place, taking into account that the principal producer of strawberries in the United States is in the state of California. On the map, we have this maritime route from port to port, taking as the beginning the port located in Los Angeles, from the destiny the port located in Cartagena, Colombia. Finally, I'm going to talk about the supply chain of the strawberries. As we can see, for our supply chain, we start with the crops together with the farmers in charge of this. After this, we process to send the product to the port ready to export to Colombia. The product is probably packaged in the containers to the part of destination. When they arrive at the destination, they are distributed to the different national points for sale in front there to the final customers. As main logistic activities involved in this work, we have the embarkation and disembarkation of the containers in their proper ports, as well as the proper palletization price, coordinate the logistic of the transport of the product from point to point, and finally coordinate the distribution of the product.